Hey, good morning. What a beautiful day. I'm back in the shop. This is the first time I've actually been in the shop, I think, since the surgery a week ago. It was, today's a week and a day, and I'm without the walker. Just, that's what they want to get you going as much as possible walking around. So that's what I'm doing. And it's a pain level of about 2. It's not terrible. It's down manageable. So when I did the video, the last video of after my surgery, I was still apparently on some of the drugs. One of you folks that's an anesthesiologist said I was acting like I was. Anyway, right after I got done, because I was not feeling pain, the pain blocker in my leg had numbed it so that it didn't hurt. But right after that, it started wearing off. And it was, that night was probably and the next morning, the worst of this whole thing, pain-wise. I could not keep up with it. I ended up texting the doctor, and he prescribed a heavier dose of oxycodone. And so I took one of those, and they make you feel nauseous. I tried to take some stuff, but I got through it. That was the worst part. So it would have been day 2 after the surgery. For you folks that are looking at having that, be aware of the pain blocker wearing off. And it's hard, you don't want to overdose on anything, but I'm having my other knee done in January, and I will be better prepared for that event. I'm going to make sure that I have I'll take some ahead of time, the oxycodone. There's also some other combination drugs that they gave me that helped to relax me and get me going. So the next few days, I was getting around with a walker, doing well, and I really it's a fine balance, walking, sitting. Don't sit, stretch, don't stretch, ice it. They well instructed me, so I was prepared, and I got through that. Currently, so I'm icing like 4 times a day now. That really helps. It's still swollen up quite a bit. So I'm really encouraged. I think, so my first checkup with the surgeon is next week, and the same day in the afternoon is my first physical therapy session. I bet that's going to be great. So I am looking forward to it. I want to excel without overdoing it. I want to keep ahead of what they're going to push, because they're going to stretch that leg. They're probably still going to stretch it so that they want to find out. They want to get the maximum before the scar tissue settles in. That's just an introduction to the video that's going to be coming on just a sec. Hold on, let me just turn the camera around, see if the lighting's any better. So I'm supposed to walk around, even though I'm hobbling. I'm able to bend the leg back far enough to lock it in, so that it's secure. You can't see that, but I'm on one leg just for balance. I can do that. So I'm just going to keep doing, I've been doing exercises that they gave me prior to showing up to the physical therapist, who's going to give me some more exercises. And I think by Christmas time, like 2 weeks, I should be getting around really well. So I'm looking forward to that. So the other thing to finish out this video is my rolling workbench. I've been working on that, or I did before the surgery. I'll just show a few clips of what I did to get that far. And that's pretty well going to wrap it up. First thing, I'll take the top off and paint the interior. That'll be a lot easier. Alrighty. I think I got to get in there to do that. Gonna have to break out a paintbrush, I guess, to get all the corners. There, that's painted. I'll put the top on. Perfect. So now I've cut the three panels that are going to go around the top. I started some screws. Hopefully it works. There. All right. We'll secure that. I'll line it up coming across here. I can screw underneath into this and the other side. And the framework will be fait de complete. Fait de complete. Complete. All right, that's the framework. There's still shelves and things to be added and painting. That's wet paint, so I'm not going to sit down on this beautiful, I can't wait to try out that cushion. It's going to be so comfortable. It's a great sitting height. You can reach everything. It's going to be great. I'll use it a lot, I'm sure. Okay, on to the next thing. So here we are. This is the new rolling workbench. Oh, she's been hiding back there all this time. Have a good day, Lauren. See ya. Yeah. So this is, I guess, where you could expect, where I am after 8 days. And I'm pretty pleased with that. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. I'm not going to do a lot about my surgery. I don't want to bore you with that. I'll occasionally probably mention how I'm doing. I'm really feeling positive about this right now. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And thanks for hanging in there with me till I can get back to doing some pound, bang, bang stuff. Oh, and the 3-pound sledgehammer. I have a 3-pound sledgehammer that like the doctor used. It's probably a different brand. Probably less expensive. I don't know. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. Hit the like button. And if you're not a subscriber, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe. See you later.